everyone, you're welcome to this week's Business and Investment Tips program, a production of Christ Church Radio with Ayodeji Ebo, an investment professional. This week, the focus is on why you should stop procrastinating on investing in dollar-denominated assets. Over the last 2 years, the naira has continually depreciated against the dollar and reached a new low this week at the unofficial market, also known as the black, parallel, or aboki markets. According to market sources, the US dollar sold at an all-time high of 723 naira to $1 on Friday, up to 13% week on week, or 88 naira in just 1 week, as savers and investors rushed to convert their naira savings and investments into dollars. This worsened the spread between the official market and the black market rates to 306 naira 55 kobo to $1. This creates a huge incentive for FX round tripping and arbitraging. The naira's misfortune has been on the back of the weak accretion to the external reserves due to the decline in oil production. Despite significant gains of 39% in crude oil prices this year, which is currently above the $100 per barrel and higher than the $73 per barrel benchmark set by the federal government for 2022. Additionally, the lack of access to the international debt market, the stoppage of the sales to bureau de change operators, and the absence of FX supply at the official exchange windows have all impacted the supply of the dollar. As a result, demand has increased in the black market, driving up the prices of dollars. We have observed increased demand from investors, manufacturers, students, tourists, and speculators in the unofficial market. As the exchange rate continues to depreciate, investors have sought to preserve their savings and investments by switching to dollar-denominated investment to provide a hedge, thereby increasing their returns in naira terms. Additionally, you can earn interest or capital appreciation on your investment, which yields better returns than a savings account. These dollar-denominated investments can be in form of dollar mutual funds, dollar fixed income, foreign stocks, or even euro bonds. You can listen to our podcast on investing in dollar-denominated assets on the YouTube channel for details. Platforms to access dollar-denominated assets. These are some of the platforms that provide access to dollar-denominated investments: Passfolio, RiseVest, Cowrywise, Invest Now, and so on. However, kindly conduct your due diligence before investing through any of these platforms. In our opinion, the FX situation is unlikely to improve anytime soon, since oil earnings are expected to remain challenged, worsened by the huge subsidy bills. The CBN is also expected to stop the sale of FX to commercial banks by year-end. The situation is further complicated by the upcoming electioneering activities and the rising money supply due to the federal government's massive fiscal deficit. On another note, there is a possibility of a likely devaluation of the currency at the official market if the shortage in the supply of FX lingers for long. Consequently, this would increase the pressure on the naira. As a result, we recommend that you allocate most of your investments to dollar-denominated assets to mitigate against further depreciation or devaluation of the naira on your investments and savings, especially for long-term investors. Thank you for listening. Please join us same time next week for another exciting and insightful session. For questions, comments, and feedback, kindly forward to ebo.ayodeji@gmail.com or send an SMS to 070-8246-3747. Stay blessed.